Hello, everyone, and welcome. We'll address the data analyst role, their responsibilities, salary expectations, and the required skills and educational background to pursue this career. There are numerous noteworthy career opportunities available in the data science field, including data architect, data engineer, BI analyst, and of course, data scientist. We'll create similar videos for these other career opportunities, so be sure to check these out as well. All right, so what exactly is the data analyst and what do they do? We can confidently say that data analysts do a significant part of the heavy lifting in terms of pre-processing and exploratory data analysis in a company. They're not afraid to get their hands dirty and work with raw data in an effort to turn it into meaningful business insights. This is what a data analyst does in layman's terms. But to truly understand the role, let's delve deeper into the extensive responsibilities of a data analyst. A data analyst is a critical thinker and an active problem solver who eagerly dives into datasets. They identify key insights and trends, performing a pivotal role in transforming raw data into actionable intelligence. This process involves meticulous data cleaning, validation, and analysis, which typically occupies around 80% of their time. The remaining 20% is dedicated to communicating these insights through clear, comprehensible visualizations and reports, essential for guiding decision-making across the organization. If this role seems isolating, think again. As integral members of a broader team, data analysts work closely with data scientists, product managers, software developers, and business stakeholders. This collaboration is crucial for ensuring that the insights gleaned from data analyses are effectively aligned with business strategies and objectives, highlighting the communal and interconnected nature of their work. Data analysts ask critical questions and help shape top management's opinion on how to improve business operations and structure the product in an optimal way. The expansion of AI applications across industries leads to the generation of vast amounts of data. Every interaction with AI systems, whether in consumer applications, business processes, or scientific research, creates data that need to be analyzed to improve performance, understand user behavior, and guide strategic decisions. Therefore, we can confidently say that the AI boom enhances data analyst job prospects for the years to come. So far, so good. But what does this imply for salary? What is a data analyst's income? Glassdoor and PayScale were kind enough to share their insights. Qualified data analysts can anticipate a median annual salary of $77,000. With 4 to 5 years of experience, your salary can increase north of $100,000. With that in mind, let's tackle the pressing issue: how to become a data analyst. To become a data analyst, one must have technical skills in programming and data manipulation, analytical skills for extracting insights from data, and soft skills like communication and teamwork to effectively support data-driven decision-making. The 3 key technical skills you need to acquire are database querying with SQL, Python programming for data preprocessing and analysis, and data visualization with Tableau or Power BI. Analysis, however, goes beyond just algorithms. It requires solid business acumen, as you need to understand the business to uncover insights. And you also need the ability to think critically, identify trends and patterns in data, and draw actionable insights. Once you have learned how to work with SQL, Python, and Tableau, great! Now you know the most critical aspects of the data analyst role and the essential skills to develop for this career.